Hi, this is K Squared, webisode 3. Hi. Yes. Shut up. Today's topic is what we hate about MySpace. Crystal, what do you hate most about MySpace?
I personally hate when people post bulletins about when they're getting off MySpace.
Oh, dude, I can't stand that.
I'm like, no one cares. Just go to bed. Do I have a feather?
You have a dog hair. From Ichiko. It's from Ichiko.
Freaking.
Yeah, I pretty much hate that too.
What do you hate hearing?
I hate it when people post bulletins that are this is really, really important, and then they do this whole retarded thing, and then if you don't do it in the next 5 minutes, someone will come and kill you.
Oh yeah. Or when it's put kiwi if you're single and strawberry if you're taken and loving it, and then you see the person who has every fruit known to mankind except for the one that says taken and happy. That's annoying because you cannot be single and confused yet taking it as it comes at the same time.
Yeah. Oh, and you know what else I hate? There's the fucking MySpace whores who have the whole 1.5K.
Oh yeah.
Those
Do not put how many friends you have next to your name with a little K in it, and especially if you don't even have 1,000 yet. Do not put 0.5 for 500 friends. That's annoying.
I have 225 friends.
I have 590 something.
Why are we bragging about that?
I don't know. I actually am in the process of deleting everybody. I just get bored.
Yeah. Let's see. What else do I hate about my... What else do you hate?
I hate when people have new pictures every day.
Oh, dude, that pisses me off.
And then every day, you have to post a comment on every new picture.
Oh, dude. I only do it maybe once a week.
I know. I don't have new pictures that often. There's one kid on my profile. He has 2, 3 new pictures every day. And I'm like, kid, I'll strangle you. Because he posts bulletins about it all day.
Hey, new pictures. Comment them. Or
bulletin conversations.
Oh, dude.
Do not have bulletin conversations.
Dude,
Send a message.
Mm-hmm.
Post a comment. I hate when people don't realize their profiles have viruses.
Oh, dude.
Or that their profile is just all around effed up.
Or when they put shit on there that they think people care about, but nobody does.
Or when they have one of those playlists like you and me have, and they have a profile song, and they all start at once.
Dude, I know, that pisses me off too.
The second you click on their page, it's like Armageddon. End of the world.
Oh, and what really pisses me off is when people put they write the About Me blog thingies, I mean, I did that too, but that was only because I was super duper bored. But some people are obsessive over it. Oh, that's not true anymore, so I have to change it. I'm not going out with them anymore, so I have to change it. And then they're so obsessive over the goddamn About Me thing. Nobody gives a shit about you, okay? So stop trying. That's what I think. It's okay.
I don't like when people do the whole, I can't remember what I was going to say, but I don't like it. I'll tell you that much. I do not enjoy it.
Oh, I hate when people post bulletins about bands. Dude, you have to check out this band. Blah 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 blah. And
I hate Screamo. Stop liking Screamo. Everybody on my site likes Screamo.